Well, good morning. In this video, I would like to remind you the way you can practice in Spelling City, but also, and most importantly, how you can download the report in order to send it to me by entregas. So, for example, last week we were working on this list, first to flight. So when you get in this list, you can click here, or you can also scroll down the mouse and check one by one all the words, and also you can start when it says games or free activities. These are the games that you have. So when you get in free activities, you can check, maybe clicking here, play a game. In play a game, you can access to all these activities, but because we don't have a premium account, we should click on free, and these are the only ones we can practice on. Also, the last one and the most important one is the spelling test me. Yeah, you can practice all these ones before, and finally when you are totally sure and you feel sure to take the test, you can click here, and here you can start doing the test. So you click in this icon, triangle or play icon, and then you can start spelling one by one.
Get ready for the test. Don't peek at your list. Begin. Passenger. A driver takes a passenger to a destination.
Here you type each one of the words, you continue.
Popular.
If you cannot hear it, as in this case,
Will be named last president.
you can click here in word or in the sentence also if you want to listen it again.
Popular.
Popular. Popular. Next.
Flight. The airline said that the flight was late. Control. He controlled his dog by holding motion. The moon is impossible. It is impossible for pigs to fly.
We should be careful with the, obviously with the spelling. In this case, for example, double S.
Rocket. The rocket launched the ship into space.
And remember, guys, you don't need to, you shouldn't use capital letters, okay? You don't use capital letters, obviously, just in case it is a proper noun.
Movement. Her movement as she rose scared the eagle. Launched. The rocket launched into space. Direction. The wind changed direction. Check your words below. When they all look right, hit done.
Okay, please pay special attention to this part, guys, because in this part is when you have to check one by one each one of the words. If you consider that they are totally well done, okay, let me move this bar like this. Okay, so you want to check something, for example, let's go back to this case, impossible. Maybe you want to check it,
Impossible.
and you say, oh no, there is something missing here. You can edit it. Look at,
Spell the word impossible.
you can edit it.
Impossible for pigs to fly.
For example, that it doesn't have double S but just one. Okay, you check it and you edit it, you type the double S and you save it.
Check your words below. When they all look right, hit done.
Hit done. Hit done means here that you are totally sure you got 100. You click there.
Done. First try.
Wow. So I got, in this case, I got a 100%. Yeah. So please, in this case, you don't have to take a screenshot or something else. No, please go here, print. No worries. If you don't have a printer, no worries, because it is not for printing, but it is for download the PDF. file. So you write your name. In this case, I write my name. Yeah, taking care of the capital letters and everything. Okay, so what I need is the report. The report. If you want, you can print the certificate, but it is for your own and it is up to you. Okay, but what I need is the report. Why? Because look at, when you click here in the report, there is a PDF file that appears now with the specific words that you were tested on, and the specific words, maybe if you had a mistake, so the score is going to be 900 or 85 or something like that, right? So this is what I need, guys. So please, thank you for your attention, and thank you for following these directions in order to do this in that way. Okay, thank you so much. So let me go back again. Goodbye.